Okay, just a quick rundown of the list for Thursday morning. Alcoa I've added just as a long AA because it had earnings and it's gapping above 1484, this recent high. It looks like it's at 15 and after hours. Look at the 1-year chart here. If you can picture a line across recent highs, it's above that line here. It certainly has room. And you also, I don't even have this on my watch list, but you also may want to watch Cenex. It may follow, although it's not as close to a breakout as Alcoa is. Okay, and then some others I have on watch. AONE at 2357. Okay, here's a 5-day chart using 15. See how it based almost all afternoon, highs at 2355. So basically we're calling it a break above this base. Could take out yesterday's high and maybe start this thing going again. So that's another one, AONE. AVNR, remember this one, nice gap up, and it closed pretty strong on big volume. So over 250, this thing may get another leg up. Congratulations, by the way, on bondage today, if anyone held that all day. MCO, pretty interesting. This is that one that got killed, then a huge bounce, pullback, and strong couple equal tops here, 2085, well, 2084 was today's. So over 2086, this thing may get another leg up. Actually, we have a trigger of 2086. ADM, again, you can kind of just put a horizontal line there. Look, above that line, it might head up. This has been resistance for quite a while. So above that line, so we've got a ADM 2953. HOC is a lower volume one. Recent spikes to 2622. Back here was 2621. Today had a high of 2615. So we have a 2624 idea. Anywhere up in here might get it going. That's HOC. It's a lower volume one. WNR, refiner. The refiners have been pretty strong. A couple day bounce finally after this sell-off. Then a nice red day, but then you know what? Today it was just right back to the top of yesterday's high. So we've got a 651 above its 2-day high here. Maybe WNR starts to head higher, especially if the other refiners work too. STLD, this was a steel that's been way oversold. Nice bounce, but sold off. Green today, 1562 and after hours, so up above here. So we just have it on long watch. And Merck, kind of maybe as a bounce play or long watch. Remember, Merck, very close to a breakout here. Had an inside red day today on lower volume. So if it breaks its early high on Thursday, it might get going, retest these highs, and maybe come up and test these highs. So Merck is kind of a bounce play slash long watch. And, you know, as always, we may or may not play any of these. We may play all of them. We'll see. It all depends on the market action in the morning. Some stocks gap up above the trigger. We won't be taking them, but we'll still keep them on watch for a low-risk entry like we teach later in the session. And we may add 1 or 2 or several gap plays in the morning as well. So this list is just a starting point for us. Just keep that in mind, and we will follow up with a video tomorrow night on what we did with some of these picks. Have a great night.